We have covered the fundamentals of what makes an effective AI strategy. It is time to start designing one now. Let's build a perspective to develop successful AI solutions. Harvard Business Review has stated that AI hype can lead to overly high expectations, which could be misleading and can cause a high failure rate for ML business deployments. Hence, it is essential to separate the hype that views AI as magic from reality and understand when and how to think of AI properly. To strengthen this understanding, let's focus on unique considerations for strategizing AI implementation compared to traditional software. Traditional software follows predefined rules and has logic embedded in the code. Hence, its response is code driven and deterministic, producing the same output for given inputs. On the contrary, AI systems do not need explicit instructions through code and are data driven. They learn from the shifting data patterns and generate probability based output. This is why a traditional software system, such as a tax calculator, produces the same output for a given input, while a given input prompt to an AI powered system like ChatGPT might return a different result each time. Maintenance for traditional software generally involves bug fixes and feature additions. However, AI models require extensive maintenance effort to keep refining with new data to ensure quality predictions. An effective AI strategy goes beyond the traditional software implementation lifecycle and includes a comprehensive understanding of the data landscape, starting from data acquisition, pre processing, model training, deployment, and monitoring. To summarize, the continuously evolving nature of AI puts additional emphasis on model monitoring and error analysis to ensure the iterative model development. Further, it demands a closer look at everything associated with data, such as its quality, availability, and privacy. It should be well represented to promote fairness and ensure transparency to facilitate model interpretation and validation. Now that we have the background on the distinction between AI and traditional software, let's discuss the key business drivers to commence AI transformation. Firstly, it is important to know the stakeholders who are prioritizing this initiative. What else has taken a backseat to advance this project? What teams, business units, or processes benefit from this initiative versus the extent of impact if it is left unresolved? How long has this business problem been in existence? Is it identified recently? Is there an alternative, maybe a non AI solution, such as simple business rules? How confident are we about the proposed solutions? Determining whether an AI solution caters to all business units, called horizontal, or addresses a specific vertical is integral to assessing its impact at scale. Is this problem complex and challenging? Is it a new technology that needs additional steps and processes before we officially kick off with development? Are there any unforeseen challenges that could impede the progress? Great. We have discussed the hype and design thinking of AI strategy. The fear of losing jobs from advanced algorithms such as generative AI is real. McKinsey reports that the future of work will have lesser demand for basic cognitive and manual skills, such as ones that involve a high share of repetitive tasks, data collection, and elementary data processing. This instills fear of losing jobs to AI and requires effective change management to counter this. It can be done by promoting AI literacy, that only redundant tasks are automated, not all jobs. AI paves the way for more meaningful work streams and job creation. Upskilling teams to prepare for shifting market dynamics and technological advancements. Ultimately, being quick to learn and adapt is key to thriving in the evolving AI landscape.